In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money selling Notion templates. This is a fantastic side hustle idea that's both creative and potentially profitable. If you're interested in earning extra income using your design and organizational skills, follow along as we break down this process step by step. To start off, open your web browser and go to the Notion website. Notion is a versatile platform that allows you to create custom templates for productivity, organization, and more. Once you're on the website, browse through and select the templates you've created or want to sell. These templates can range from personal planning setups to business workflow designs, so think about what you're most passionate about or what you believe others would find useful. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen and click on the three dots to open additional options. Here, you'll find the share option. You'll want to adjust the sharing settings to ensure your templates are accessible. Initially, click on Only People Invited to change this option. This setting restricts access to just those you've specifically invited, but we want to make it available to more people. Now switch the share setting to anyone on the web with the link. This way, the template can be viewed and accessed by anyone who has the link, which is essential for selling. Once you've adjusted these settings, your next step is to publish your template. Click on Publish, then confirm by clicking Publish again if prompted. This action makes sure your template is live and ready for distribution. After publishing, copy the link provided. It's crucial that the duplicate option is turned on. This allows buyers to duplicate your template into their own Notion workspace, making it truly theirs. Now let's switch gears and head over to Canva, where you'll create an appealing showcase or landing page for your templates. Search for Website Shop in Canva to find a suitable template for your online presence. Choose a design that matches your aesthetic or template theme. For demonstration purposes, I'm picking this one. Click on Customize this template to start editing. You'll want to add actionable buttons to your Canva design where customers can easily access your Notion templates. Position the button on your design where it makes the most sense. Right-click on the button, then select Link. Paste the link you copied from Notion into the provided field. Once pasted, click on Done to save this link addition. Lastly, personalize the Canva template to align with your template's niche. Whether you're selling productivity templates or aesthetic organization dashboards, tailor each page to highlight different aspects of what you offer. Once everything is ready, share your landing page on various social media platforms like Facebook or Instagram. Engage with potential customers by collecting their emails and securing payments. Ultimately, provide them with access to your website where they can purchase your Notion templates. Selling Notion templates can be both fun and rewarding. It's a great way to earn extra money while using your creativity and organization skills. Happy creating, and may your side hustle be successful.